Imagine a business model that has a terrible and fatal flaw. If your product works too well, you will actually go bankrupt. If you solve your customer's problem completely, they stop paying you. This is the central paradox of the global pharmaceutical industry today. We are taught that doctors and drug companies want to cure us. And the scientists working in the lab certainly do want to help. But the executives sitting in the boardrooms have a completely different goal. Their goal is shareholder value and maximizing profit for the investors. And in the cold world of finance, a cure is bad business. A treatment, however, is a brilliant subscription model for the human body. In this video, we are going to diagnose Big Pharma and its incentives. We will look at giants like Pfizer and analyze their business models. And we will ask a dangerous and uncomfortable question about our health. Is it possible the industry has a financial incentive to keep us sick? Before we dive deeper, I want to ask you a question. Have you noticed medicine prices going up, even as technology improves? Do you think health should be a business or a human right? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. To understand this, we need to look at a report from Goldman Sachs. In 2018, they released a private note to their biotech investors. They asked a simple question: is curing patients a sustainable business model? Their answer was no, and they used hepatitis C as an example. Gilead Sciences invented a drug that cured hepatitis C with 90% success. It was a miracle for humanity, but a disaster for revenue. Once the patients were cured, the sales crashed and the stock fell. The lesson for Wall Street was clear: do not invest in cures. Invest in chronic treatments that people take for the rest of their lives. Diabetes, blood pressure, cholesterol, and anxiety are the real gold mines. This is why we have incredible treatments for symptoms, a few cures. Big Pharma is the only industry where the seller decides the price. And the beer has no choice because their life depends on it. If you need insulin to live, you will pay almost anything. In the United States, a vial of insulin costs about $300. Do you know how much it actually costs to make that vial? It costs about $10, which is a 3,000% markup. It is more profitable than selling cocaine, and it is perfectly legal. They protect these profits with a legal weapon called patents. A patent gives a company a monopoly on a drug for 20 years. Nobody else can make that drug, so they control the supply completely. When the patent is about to expire, they change one tiny molecule. They rebrand it, get a new patent, and call it Evergreening. It keeps generic drugs off the market and keeps prices high forever. Now let's talk about Pfizer, the undisputed king of this game. In 2021 and 2022, they made over $100 billion in revenue, mostly from the COVID vaccine, the most profitable product launch in history. But Pfizer is also a massive marketing machine in the media. Have you noticed something strange when you watch American television? In almost every country, it is illegal to advertise prescription drugs. Except for two countries, New Zealand and the United States. Watch an hour of American TV and you see happy people running, and a voice listing terrifying side effects like heart attack or death. Why do they spend billions on these ads if you can't buy them? Because they want you to go to your doctor and ask for it. They turn patients into customers and create an over-medicated society. We take a pill to wake up and a pill to focus, a pill to calm down and a pill to sleep at night. We are treating the symptoms of modern life instead of the root causes. But we must be fair. Without Big Pharma, life expectancy would be lower. They wiped out polio and turned HIV into a manageable condition. They saved millions of lives during the pandemic because science is real. But the business model is broken when health becomes a commodity. The incentive is not wellness, the incentive is sales volume. If you are enjoying this analysis, please hit the like button. It helps the algorithm show this truth to more people globally. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Hidden Logic for more. We have covered the massive companies that own the world, the banks that print the money and the energy that backs it, the weapons that protect the money and the drugs that sedate us. But there is one final piece of the puzzle we must solve. How does money actually move around the world from bank to bank? When Saudi Arabia sells oil or you buy an iPhone, money travels. It travels through a digital pipeline that America controls completely. It is the ultimate financial weapon that can destroy economies instantly. In our final video of this series, we are going to look at SWIFT, the weaponization of the dollar and how it controls global trade. See you in the SWIFT video.